I fold it over the line now to put this into the socket and see the neutral. And one of my pet hates is when people drag the CPC through and wreck the plastic. I don't mind using the CPC to drag it, but I like a nice clean line, which I get with these made by Jockrai badged CK, but they both sell the same product and they are the same part. Nice click socket. Pause. Chuck away the plastic crabby bits. I know because they say you can remove them with blue tack. I just put a terminal screwdriver and then put them straight in the bin where they belong. It's a waste of plastic. This is good on this Bosch Go. So I set it to the minimum torque now. Push it to tighten. When you put it in he goes. I keep a light grip on the tools. If it does slip, doesn't over torque and snap the box. Nice. All level. Clip this in now. So I'm connecting that into this socket here now. After Henry's got hold of it, it's all off. But I'm going to clean these up because it is a bugbear of mine and do them tidy.